To make your first YouTube video go viral, you should have to focus on these key tips. Tips number 1. Compelling thumbnail. Create an eye-catching thumbnail that sparks curiosity and accurately represents your video content. Tips number 2. Engaging title. Craft a clickable and intriguing title, pose a question, promise value, or create suspense to entice viewers. Tips number 3. Quality content. Ensure your video is high quality, well edited, and provides real value to your audience. A mix of entertainment and information often works well. Tips number 4. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to improve searchability. Tips number 5. Hook in the first 10 seconds. Capture viewers' attention early by delivering your main point or creating immediate interest. Tips number 6. Share on social media. Promote your video on various social media platforms to increase initial views and engagement. Tips number 7. Community engagement. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to share and subscribe. Building a community around your content helps it gain attraction. Tips number 8. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to tap into their audience and expand your reach.
Tips number 9. Utilize trends. Incorporate trending topics or challenges into your video content to ride the wave of current interests. 10. Timing matters. Upload your video at a time when your target audience is most active on YouTube. Remember, virality isn't guaranteed, but a combination of these strategies increases your chances of reaching a wider audience. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Your support means a lot.